guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys in a while. Well, actually I haven't because I've been sick, but I'm feeling so much better right now. I'm feeling so good. It's bright outside. When the sun's out, I just feel better. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, go ahead, hit that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Judging by the title, obviously we're doing a try-on haul featuring Fashion Nova. Really cute, trendy online boutique. I think they have a freestanding store, but that's in LA and I'm in New York. So, you know, online boutique for me. But I'm gonna just get straight into the video, okay? Keep watching. First piece is actually the shirt that I'm wearing. It's a really cute off the shoulder mustard yellow top. It's a crop top. But it's a really cute crop top. The only thing about it is it's kind of hard to actually put on because it's like two pieces. It's like like this piece and then this piece, and they're crisscrossed like in the back and the front. So it's just a little hard to maneuver to get into it, but besides that, it's super cute. Have you seen the hashtag Black Girls in Yellow? Google or hashtag, look up that hashtag on like Twitter or Instagram or whatever. It low-key made me buy this shirt because it's such a cute shirt and it gives me so much like summertime vibes. I just like, after this video I have to go out in the sun and just frolic. So next piece is these pants, right? Oh, actually I'm holding them backwards. They're these pants. They're super light and they're like in this Paisley kind of prints. Super light material. They're kind of like Capris. I kind of wish they were pants though. I'm 5'7.5", so they're a little short. Like they don't hit at my ankle, but they pass my knees, so I'm gonna say they're like Capris. But they're super cute, super light. And really good for the summer because I can't be outside dying in hot clothes. And these pants have pockets. Well, they have side pockets. They don't have any pockets in the back. Right, no pockets in the back, just in the side. But you know how women's clothes almost never come with pockets, so I'm super excited about that. And then it comes with this like I don't want to call it a drawstring, but you can tie it. So you just tie it up in the front. Okay, so the next piece I have is this this green, it's like this olive green crop top. Oh, I forgot to tell you, most of the clothes I bought is in a small. So the top I'm wearing right now is in a small, and the pants I just showed you are in a small. I got this in a medium actually because I feel like I have broad shoulders, so sometimes if something's off the shoulder, it's a little tight and I can't move my arms the way I want. Sometimes I can't move my arms the way I want to. So I got this top in a medium, and it's a crop top and it's like quarter sleeve and it has this like ruffled detailing on the sleeves. Can you see that? Super cute, and it's cinched. It's elastic at the sleeve, the neckline, and the waistline. So I can wear it, since I did get it in a medium, I can wear it like not as a crop top. It would just like land right above my shoulders. not as a crop top, not as a off the shoulder top, because I can wear it above my shoulders, but I'm gonna wear it like across like that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this next piece during the summertime, to be honest. This is more of like a summertime nighttime kind of thing when the sun's not out, because these are heavy. So it's these faux leather shorts, and they're super cute. They're kind of like, I don't know, they remind me of biker shorts. Not like biker shorts. I don't know what I'm talking about, but super cute. They have pockets in the front as well. Yeah, they're pretty deep pockets too, so I love things that have pockets in them. And it does have this a belt, and the top is scrunched, like the waistband, like the waist of it. It's high-waisted and it's scrunched. Since it's like faux leather, it's really hot. Like even when I tried this on, I did a little dancing in it. I did a little dancing in the pants and I broke a little sweat. So that's gonna have to be like a nighttime, a summertime nighttime kind of pant. I totally ripped this outfit off of the model on Instagram, on the website, because she was wearing those shorts and this bodysuit, which is super cute. I love this bodysuit. And it says "See Things Differently," and it has this checkered prints pattern right here in the center, and it has it's snap closure, so it snaps. Even though I kind of don't like snap closure sometimes, but I thought it was so cute on the model, so I bought it. So I bought the top and the bottom she was wearing. So next, I wouldn't necessarily call it like a summer piece, but it is this, it's this two-piece matching sets. I love, 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 love matching sets, okay? These are the bottoms, it's the back, the front. It has two stripes. It's very Adidas-esque, you know, but not an Adidas price though. And then this is the top. It's a cropped hoodie. It's long sleeve, right? So hoodie, and then it also has the two stripes on the sleeves. I'm not necessarily sure I would wear it during the summer. That would probably be like if I'm traveling. That's definitely an airport outfit. That and some slides. I'm just gonna be hella comfortable in the airport. It's another matching set, and I was super, super, super excited to get the set when I saw it, because I think it was like so freaking cute, right? But it's so freaking cute. So it's this is the bottom. It's a skirt. It's a yellow plaid skirt. The only thing is that when I saw it on the website, I thought it'd be like more yellow. It's more mustard than it is yellow. Like it's darker than the shirt I'm wearing now, but the shirt I'm wearing now is definitely like a mustard. It's not yellow. But this is the skirt, and then this is the top. Oops. And it's super cool, super cute, super comfortable. It's long sleeves, and it's just like this plaid print. It gives me Clueless vibes, and I love me some Clueless. I really do. I got this in a small, and I probably should have got it in a medium. Like it fits, but the only thing is the top. It's a little short, so it's like, let's say I probably wouldn't wear a padded bra with that, or like a bra with underwiring in it, because when I put it on, you can kind of see the underwiring. If I like raised my hand, like it doesn't, I don't know, it just needed to be like 2 inches longer. This dress. It's this, ooh, am I holding it backwards? It's a little hard to show. It's this dress, and it's kind of like, it's really hard to show. I don't know how to You'll see it when I put it on my body because it looks weird right now. But it's this dress, and it's like 2 dresses in one, kind of. So it's this mesh top and then like the slip underneath it, and they're attached at the shoulder seam up here. It's super cute. It's kind of like giving me athleisure vibe. Like, I love this whole athleisure trend, you know, looking like I'm going to the gym but I'm not. Love it. So it's giving me athleisure vibes, you know, like a tennis dress, but not really. Next I have, I really wanted this dress so bad, but I might have to return it. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. It's this dress, right? And it's off the shoulder. I call it the scrunchy dress, like the scrunchy Beyonce dress, because Beyonce did wear a dress like this in red, I believe, with like a green jacket, a green fur, I think. It's super cute, and it, oh god, it's so cute. But the reason why I might return it, I have it in a small, but then the arms, man, the arms, my broad shoulders just won't let me be great. I can't move my arms up and down. Like, if I'm like this all night, then that's great. The dress is perfect. Granted, the dress is kind of small, but I am kind of tall, so, you know, go big or go home. I'm daring, right? But if I'm like this, the dress is great. If I want to put my arms up, honey, sis, it's not gonna happen. Right, I went to a fashion school, so I think I know what the problem is. They stitched on the elastic, so the elastic does stretch, but not as much as it should probably. If they would have stitched underneath the elastic, I probably would have more room to do that. Now, am I gonna go in and unstitch this and restitch it? Heck no. Am I going to return it? That is up for debate. But I love this dress so much. This is such a cute going out dress. Like, you can't tell me nothing in this dress. You will not tell me anything when I'm wearing this dress. You cannot tell me I'm not Beyonce and Rihanna. Not telling me a damn thing. Next up is this cute dress. It's just this cute little simple black slip dress, right? And it also has the racer fabric design down the side panels. I wore this out with my friends. We went to a little club or whatever. So, you know, this dress was doing a damn thing. Last but not least is this, I wore this dress actually in my last video, my hair review video. It's this really pretty olive green midi dress. So, you know, midi dress, it means that it's not a maxi and it's not a mini, it's a midi. So it hits underneath my knee but before my ankle. And it's just this really pretty midi dress. It's like a bodycon kind of thing. It sits on the kid very nicely as well. Super comfortable, super light. Summer vibes, man. It gives me sundress vibes without being an actual sundress. I wanted to show you guys, hold on. Right, so the last thing I wanted to show you guys was this purse. It's so cute. Oh god. It's not necessarily a piece of clothing that you could wear. This is definitely a summer purse though, because I don't think anybody does teal purses in the winter unless you live in LA. I got this purse because it reminds me of the Givenchy Givenchy, whatever you want to call it, the Antigona bag. Super cute. So it's the closest I'll probably get anytime soon. Super cute, and it's super small, and I have a thing for small purses because I don't like to carry big purses. I'm not carrying that much stuff. I'm carrying my wallet, my keys. That's it, honestly. I don't carry much in my bag. It only comes in teal on the website. If it came in like black or nude, I totally probably would have bought the black or nude before I bought the teal. So I still have the plastic on it, so obviously I haven't used it. It does come with like shoulder strap, and it has like the basic pockets inside, like one in the front and then a zip one in the back. For a little bag, I feel like it has a lot of space, you know? For a little bag, I feel like it has a lot of space in there. So, super excited. I don't know what I would wear this with, but whenever I do, I'll let you guys know because I like this bag a lot. It's just so freaking cute. Alright guys, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't already get the chance to at the beginning of this video. If you already subscribed, you know, go ahead and hit that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Comment down below which outfit you like the best. I don't know, I like them all. So just tell me what number you like the best out of 1 through how many of our outfits I did put on. And I love you all so much. I'll see you in my next video. Later. Mwah.